Everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you and welcome to standard 1 moral science in moral science video, children. So children, once again today I am going to just discuss about the chapter 2, and this chapter already I explained very nicely. So at a glance I will tell you this story, children. Okay, and then after you all will do the work. Okay, so let's start chapter 2, and the name of the chapter, love God's creatures. Okay, we need love to love and care for God's creatures. Love is why? Because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy. So now children, what you all have seen in this story, at the beginning Rohit was an unhappy child. Do you know why? Because he has no any friends and he always thought nobody loves me. One day a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. Okay, and so after Rohit thought the cat is very lazy, but what was the fact, children? Yes, the cat had hurt its paw. Suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, so he felt sorry and he started nursing the cat. Okay, children. So Rohit gave medicine to recover fast. Soon Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Before long the cat gave birth to 4 kittens. Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. At last, children, what you all have seen? The other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Rohit had many new friends. Now they all played together happily with the kittens, my dear. Okay, now after that, yes, you all are going to arrange the jumbled letters. So letters will be what jumbled you all have to arrange and make a meaningful word, like Creature. You all will write here creature, Creature. Okay, creature. Creature, it means living things. Okay, and we all are creatures and God has created to you, to me, to all. Now after that, ALCPESI. What will you write here? Special. 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 And what do you know, children? Yes, special, it means unusual or ordinary. And already you are knowing, yes, love is a special feeling which comes from our heart. When you love someone, we have to make we have to keep them happy. Now after that, friend, spelling. See the spelling RIFNDE. You have to arrange these letters and you will make meaningful word. FRIEND, friend. Okay. And what at the beginning Rohit was unhappy child. He always thought I have no friends, and so but at last Rohit and the cat became a good friends. Okay, children. So friend, it means pal also, FRIEND, friend. Now after that, ARTHE, hurt. What will you write here? Hurt. Spelling HHEART, hurt. Okay, now move to the next. There is lazy. See, there it is written ZALY, but you all will arrange these letters and make a meaningful word. That will be LAZY, lazy. Lazy, it means dull. You can say, like Rohit thought cat is very lazy, but you know very well what happened to the cat. Yes, cat was not able to walk. Why? Because his leg was hurt with hurt. Okay, the cat had hurt its leg. Now next, TAMER, ROSY. So you will write here SORRY. Sorry. Now next, RECOVER, recover. Rohit gave medicine to recover fast. Okay, children. So RECOVER, recover. Now you all are going to do one more work, which is read the first. You will read the sentences and then after you will write what yes or no. And children, there should be only one inverted comma. Okay. So now let's start. We should throw waste into bins. Yes, children. If we want to make our environment clean, we have to throw the waste in the dustbin. So there you will write there. What will you write here? Yes, we should throw the waste in the bins. So there you will write yes, YES, yes. I don't speed on the road. Yes, we should not speed on the road. If you will speed on the road, what will happen? You will make the environment dirty. So you should not speed. There written, I don't speed on the roads. So this is correct. So there you will write, yes, it is correct. Very good. Now, next. We should not keep our room tidy. So children, no, we should keep our room tidy. So there, what will you write here? No, no. Okay, if you want to make your house clean, for that you have to make your room also tidy. So but here it is should not, that's why there you will write no. Do you take bath once in a week? No children, we should take bath every day, but here written once in a week, once in a week. So this is not correct. So what do you take? Not here should be, you all have to write here, we should take bath once in a week. Okay, just change it. We should, WEVSHOUD, SHOULD. We should take bath once in a, and just remove here question mark. We should take bath, TAKE, take. Okay children, you will write in a sentence. Just change it in question, just convert in a statement. We should take bath once in a week. So it is no. There you will write no. We should not. We should take bath once in a week. So there you will write no. Now, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. Yes, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. In the morning and at night before going to the bed after taking dinner. So it is correct, and there you will write yes, YES, yes. Okay children, now after that there you will also change. There it has written, do you wear clean clothes? No children, when you will write this, you will write we wear clean clothes. Just change this statement in it has written in question, so we have to write in a sentence. We should, WEV, should wear clean clothes. Okay, we should wear clean clothes. So there you will write yes, WES, yes, we should wear clean clothes. There it has written in question, you have to change in a sentence. Now, next one is here. I pay attention to my work. Yes, we should always pay attention towards our work. For that you will write yes, 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 yes. When I do my best, I feel very happy. So this will also yes. So hope you all have understood very nicely. At last, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till in. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.